Sometimes creating the perfect shape requires more than just drawing. That's where Boolean groups come in, a powerful way to combine, subtract, and transform shapes in Figma. Boolean groups let you unite or subtract shapes using 4 distinct operations. These actions require at least 2 layers and produce a unique Boolean group, sharing the same fill and stroke properties. The 4 operations. Union combines selected shapes, creating a single shape based on the outermost paths and excluding overlapping segments. Subtract does the opposite. It removes overlapping shapes from the bottom layer. Here, the order of layers matters. Intersect keeps only the overlapping segments, creating a shape where your paths meet. Exclude removes the intersecting area, leaving just the non-overlapping segments. It's like subtracting the intersect shape from the union. One of the best parts? Boolean groups are non-destructive. You can edit, move, or ungroup the original shapes anytime, unless the group is flattened. Master the art of Boolean groups and unlock a new dimension of creativity in your designs.